Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and give an overview of this Samsung portable SSD T7 Shield. This one is the 2 terabyte is the capacity on this one. And I have a video where, I give a review on the 1 terabyte. And if you're interested in seeing that video, I'll link that video at the end of this one. In this video, though, I'm just going to unbox this, kind of give an overview of what it is, and I can talk about my experience with the 1 terabyte version of this since I made that video. So, okay, and before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Okay, before I open this up, I'm just going to get you guys a close-up of the box. Okay, so now I'm going to unbox this. Okay, so here is the portable SSD, and it has on this side here is USB-C, a spot to plug a USB-C cable. Okay, and then so in here, I kind of remember this from the first one. You get 2 different cables. So this cable has USB-C to USB-C. And then this cable has USB-A on this side. And on this side, it has USB-C. And this is the installation guide and warranty statement, and make sure that you read through all of this information before you go through the setup process or use the Samsung portable SSD T7 Shield. Okay, so let me take these off here just so you can see how long the cords are. So here's this one. And then here's this one. And with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can, and what you can't recycle, make sure that you dispose of properly. Okay, so the 1 terabyte portable SSD that I have, the 1 terabyte version of this, has worked well for me, but I realized that I'm just going to need more space. That's why I bought the 2 terabyte version this time. And what I stored on the 1 terabyte was my YouTube videos. I've been storing my YouTube videos on there, and then my titles and descriptions for my YouTube videos. And like I said, I filled that up, and I just realized I'm going to need more space. That's why I bought the 2 terabyte version this time. Overall, I'm happy with the 1 terabyte portable SSD that I bought originally, and I hope I'm just as happy with this 2 terabyte. I like to have the extra storage, and I plan to store YouTube videos on this and my titles and descriptions for my YouTube videos. And I realized with the 1 terabyte version, originally I was thinking, okay, this is going to be plenty for a while, and it was. But now I realize I would just rather have the 2 terabyte version just to have that extra space. So Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, this was just kind of an unboxing and overview video, and I just wanted to talk about my experience with the 1 terabyte version, and then what I plan to use the 2 terabyte version for. And I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in watching my review video of the Samsung portable SSD T7 Shield 1 terabyte, I'll link that video at the end of this one. So thank you again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.